What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a 2020 Ford Mustang. This will be the same for all Mustang models of this, I think 2015 and up. If you're struggling trying to get to the cabin air filter, it's easiest if you remove this bottom plate that's usually underneath the glove box. Because if you can get to it if you remove the glove compartment, if you squeeze these two together and bring it down, but it's really difficult to get the filter in and out from that method. So if you just leave the filter up and just pull this firmly out and disconnect the light that's right there, you just twist it and remove the light. Bring this all out. See this guy right here. Just take it out. Then take a look underneath. Let's zoom in back a little bit. There's the filter halfway out right there. Okay? So if you just push it up in there, see, it goes up in there much easier. There's much more room to deal with. So yeah, and the little T20 is easier to deal with from underneath here as well. You can use either a ratcheting little 1/4 inch set on your T20 or your T20 screwdriver set. But it's, like I said, it's much easier if you go from underneath here as opposed to trying to do it from within the glove box area. So yeah. See what I mean? Just pull this off, unhook it, take the whole little panel off. In my personal opinion, and I've been working on cars for more than 30 years, it is much easier to remove that than to try to go through the glove compartment. So I'll put a link down below where you can get a T20 set as well as the air filter for this car. It's seriously not a big job, but it's a little easier, if you put like a pad of something so you can lay on the door sill right here. That makes it easier as well. So there's a couple little tips for you that may help you out. And check out our channel. We got all kinds of stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, motorcycles, golf carts, working on stuff around the house, all kind of cool stuff. And this is a high performance 2.3 Ecoboost model, which basically comes with everything that a GT would come with, including quad exhaust, which is completely stock. We also have done the Diablo Sport tuner on it as well. So this car is very quick. Do not doubt the Ecoboost high performance model. It is a very fast little car. And so yeah, check it out. If our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button. You'll see a donation button under the video screen, and feel free to send us a donation. We really appreciate it. Y'all have a great afternoon.